Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Nourish Nest, where we bring you the best culinary ideas to make your celebrations unforgettable. Today, we're diving into the world of festive foods, with amazing seasonal treats lined up for you that are perfect for Christmas, Halloween, and Valentine's Day. Whether you're hosting a cozy family gathering or a grand festive party, these recipes will add that extra sparkle to your celebrations. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about Christmas cookies. Christmas is all about warmth, joy, and of course delicious treats, and what better way to celebrate than with beautifully decorated Christmas cookies? Who doesn't love a beautifully decorated cookie during the holiday season? They're not just tasty, but also a fun activity to do with family and friends. Start with a classic sugar cookie base. It's easy to make and holds its shape well. The key is to chill the dough before rolling it out, which helps in getting those perfect shapes. Once your cookies are baked and cooled, it's all about the decorating. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Try using royal icing to create intricate designs. It dries hard and shiny, making your cookies look professionally done. You can make Christmas trees, snowflakes, and even Santa faces. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to add some edible glitter for that extra festive sparkle. It's the little details that make these cookies stand out. Trust me, your friends and family will be impressed. These cookies are not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a feast for the eyes. Now, let's switch gears to Halloween. This spooky season is all about creativity and a bit of eerie fun. Halloween-themed foods are all about creativity and a bit of spooky fun. From creepy appetizers to ghoulish desserts, the options are endless. You can make mummy hot dogs by wrapping crescent roll dough around hot dogs and adding little mustard eyes. They're easy to make and a hit with kids and adults alike. Or, how about some ghoulishly green guacamole served in a hollowed-out pumpkin? It's a fun and healthy option for your Halloween spread. One of my favorites is spooky spaghetti. It's a simple dish with a spooky twist that's sure to be a conversation starter. Cook some spaghetti noodles, then toss them in black food coloring until they're a dark, eerie color. It's a simple trick that transforms a regular dish into something special. Serve with meatballs that look like eyeballs, and you've got a meal that's both delicious and delightfully creepy. Perfect for a Halloween dinner party. Finally, let's move on to Valentine's Day, the day of love. It's the perfect occasion to show your loved ones how much you care with some homemade treats. What better way to show someone you care than with a homemade treat? It's a heartfelt gesture that's sure to be appreciated. Heart-shaped pancakes are a simple yet thoughtful breakfast idea. They're easy to make and a great way to start the day on a sweet note. Use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to form your pancakes and top with fresh berries and whipped cream. It's a delightful combination that's sure to impress. For dessert, try making chocolate-covered strawberries. They're a classic Valentine's Day treat that's both elegant and delicious. Melt some high-quality chocolate, dip the strawberries in, and let them cool on parchment paper. It's a simple process that yields beautiful results. You can even drizzle some white chocolate on top for an elegant touch. It adds a bit of flair and makes the strawberries look even more special. These sweet treats are sure to melt hearts and make your Valentine feel special. It's the perfect way to end a romantic meal. So there you have it. 3 seasonal treats to make your holidays even more special. Each one is designed to bring joy and festivity to your celebrations. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, or Valentine's Day, these recipes are sure to bring joy and festivity to your celebrations. They're not just about the food, but also about creating memories with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nourish Nest for more delicious ideas. See you next time. Happy cooking and happy celebrating.